If you need to create a Marksheet in Microsoft Word, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you're making a school Marksheet, a student report sheet, or a basic result table for class records, Word makes it surprisingly easy to build a clean and professional layout. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. When Word launches, click on Blank Document so you can start with a fresh page. This gives you a clean workspace and makes it easier to build your Marksheet from scratch. Once the blank document opens, you're ready to start creating the table. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Insert menu, click on the table. You'll see a grid appear that lets you choose the size of your table. For a Marksheet, think about the information you want to include. A simple layout may have columns for name, subject, marks, and total. Depending on your needs, you can choose more rows and columns as well. Select the required number of rows and columns by moving your cursor over the grid and clicking the size that fits your Marksheet. After inserting the table, start entering your headings in the first row. This is where you label the columns so the Marksheet is easy to understand. For example, you can type name, subject, marks, and total across the top row. Then, in the first column or the rows below, enter the student details and the subject names. This helps organize the Marksheet clearly and keeps all the information structured. Next, fill in the marks for each student or each subject depending on how you've set up your table. You can add numbers, percentages, totals, or any other grading details you need. Make sure the entries are neat and aligned properly so the Marksheet looks professional and easy to read. If needed, you can also adjust the text size or bold the headings to make them stand out more. Now add a heading on top of the table. This could simply be Marksheet, or you can make it more specific like Annual Exam Marksheet or Student Result Sheet. To do this, click above the table and type your title. You can center it and increase the font size so it looks like a proper heading. This makes the document look more formal and polished. If you want to customize the table further, Microsoft Word gives you even more options. Go back to the Insert tab, click the Table drop-down again, and choose Draw Table. This option is useful if you want to manually design the table according to your own layout. With Draw Table, you can add custom lines, resize sections, and create a Marksheet that matches your exact needs. This is especially helpful if you want more control over the appearance of the document. You can also fine-tune the table by adjusting row height, column width, and alignment so everything fits neatly on the page. If your Marksheet contains a lot of information, try keeping the design simple so it remains readable. A clean layout is always better than a crowded one, and that's how you create a Marksheet in Microsoft Word. It's quick, easy, and useful for students, teachers, and office work alike. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.